Do you feel nostalgic about those good old simple computer games? Well, now you can create one of those in a matter of minutes with AI, specifically with Google Gemini 2.5 Pro. So let's get started. Go to AIstudiogoogle.com and then write the prompt. I already did. And here is the prompt. Create a classic brick breaker game in HTML5 canvas using JavaScript requirements. Pedal at the bottom controlled by mouse and keyboard. Ball at the bounces of bricks and walls. Bricks that disappear on collision. Standard, you know the game. After about 2 minutes, here is the code. HTML code, CSS code, and then JavaScript code. Then the only thing you need to do is copy that code, open Notepad or whatever text program you have, copy and then save that as save as, and in this case index.html, all files. Click save, fine. Then repeat the same for the CSS, copy, paste it to Notepad and call it style.css. And then repeat the third time, copy whole JavaScript, save to Notepad and call it script.js. Put all of those into the same folder. I call the folder game. And this is it. You just double click here and it will open in your browser. Let's try. Brick breaker. Use mouse or arrow keys to move the pedal. Let's try. And here is the game. This is amazing. Okay, let's try with a keyboard. Nice. You see, it is working. Let's try to lose life. Fine, life is lost. Let's play some more. Great. Just imagine what people needed to do to create that at the beginning of the computer programming, and now without any programming knowledge you can do that in a matter of perhaps 1 to 2 minutes. Let's play it again to the end. And this is it. Congratulations, you win. Final score 35. That's about it. Now you have your own brick breaker game. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.